everyone, I am Dimitri Busas, this morning. Today I will teach you to how to solve the age world problem, mixture problem, distance, rate, and time. So let's start. First, age world problem. Problem is Oswin is 4 times as old as Paul. 5 years from now, Oswin will be thrice as old as Paul. How old is Paul? So first, we draw a table. So P represent as the present, F represent as the future. So Oswin is currently 4 times as old as Paul. In 5 years from now, Oswin will be 3 times as old as Paul. We need to find Paul's current age. P represent the Paul current age. Since Oswin is 4 times as old as Paul, Oswin current age is 4P. Paul age now is P. Age Oswin age now is 4P. Paul age in 5 years, P plus 5. Oswin age in 5 years is 4P plus 5. So 4P plus 5. 5 years from now, Oswin will be 3 times as old as Paul. So 4P plus 5 equals 3 because thrice as old as Paul times P plus 5. 3 times P equals 3P. 3 times 5 equals 15. So expand the right side. 4P plus 5 and 3P plus 15. Subtract age 3P from both sides. So subtracts. So the answer is P plus 5 equals 15. So subtract 5 from both sides. So 5 from both sides. The answer is P equals 10. So Paul currently age is 10 years old. Oswin current age being 4 times, Paul is 4 times 10 equals 40 years. So 40 years old, Oswin. In 5 years, Paul will be 10 in the future. In 5 years, Paul will be 10 plus 5 is 15 years old. Oswin will be 40 plus 5 is 45 years old. So ended 45 equals 3 times 15, which confirms our solution. Paul is currently 10 years old. The answer is 10 years old. So the next is mixture problem. So the problem is Adrian adds 50 liters of water to 10 liter of a 30% alcohol solution. What is the new concentration of the alcohol solution? So we have 10 liters of 30% alcohol solutions. This means the concentration of alcohol in the original solution was C1. C1 is 30%. So Adrian adds 50 liters to water. The volume of the added water is V2 is 50 liters. So water has 0% alcohol, so adding does not change increase the total volume of the solutions. the total volume of new solutions is V3 equals V plus V1 plus V2 equals 10 liters plus 50 liters equals 60 liters. So the C3 is 60 liters. So C3 represent the new concentration of alcohol in the mixture as a representation. Since we know there still only 3 liters of alcohol in new solutions, 60. So 30 divide 100 times 10 equals 3 liters. So since we know there is still only 3 liters of alcohol in the new solutions, so C3 3 divide 6 times 100 is 5%. So the new concentration of the alcohol solutions is 5%. So next is the distance, rate, and time. So the question is Caupayan and Aguilar are jogging toward each other. Caupayan jog at a speed of 6 meter per hour and Aguilar jogs at a speed of 8 mph. If they are currently 42 miles apart, how many hours will it take for them to meet? So we have two joggers, one moving at 6 mph and the other at 8 mph are jogging toward each other from distance of 42 miles apart. We need to determine how many hours it will take for them to meet. So the distance formula is D, rate that's the speed, and time, where is D, the distance, D the distance. let T the time in hours it take for them to meet. First jogger distance DC will be 60 since they travel at 6 mph. Second jogger's distance DA will be 80 since they travel at 8 mph. So since they are 42 miles apart, 42 miles apart, joggers toward each other, the sum of the distance they cover will equal 42 miles. So DC plus DA equals 42 miles. Substituting the expression for DC and DA, we get an 60 plus 80 equals 42 miles. Combined terms. So 14T equals 40. So divide by 14. So 42 divide 14 divide 14 was 0 to, so T 14 divide 14 is 1, so T 42 divide 14 equals 3. So it will take 3 hours for the joggers to meet. So that's all. Thank you.